Alright guys, back on to the 88 Corvette fuel pump. So got the new one here, got all the stuff kind of swapped over, new rubbers. That's the old one. There's a new screen. So we're about to put everything back together and drop it back in. So once we got it dropped back in, I'll get another video going. Alright guys, later. Hopefully putting this thing in. I want to see this thing.
Well, it's still on there, so that's a start. That little green thing kept falling off.
A sock. Stay. Oh, you just need to pop over that little edge. Oh, yes, stay on.
It's in.
Yay. I'm going Hawaii.
It's like every plane in the world is taking off right now.
We're landing. I have no clue.
Is it stuck on something or?
Oh, there we go. There we go. Wow.
That's it.
You probably got smaller hands than me.
Yeah.
Trade you real quick.
Just gotta do that like 7 more times.
17 more times? All right, guys. Well, we'll get a video back when we have all the lines hooked up and maybe see what happens after that. All right, guys.
Later.
We got it all. Well, we got it bolted in. We got the lines hooked up. We got the power hooked up. So I'm going to turn the key on a couple times, make sure we don't have any leaks from the lines. And then maybe give her, see if she starts. I know we still got to do a pressure regulator. That's not happening this evening. Maybe tomorrow if I get bored, or Monday morning. So let's give it a couple of look. Key turns on and make sure we don't have any leaks. Corvette.
Yay.
So, like I said, we still got to do the pressure regulator to have it changed with the new fuel pump. So we're good on that. So in a little bit, we'll give you an update. We'll get the little rubber mat thing in here. We'll get the door back in, all cleaned up and everything. So, yeah. Cool.
Pretty view.
That is a good view. Too bad we can't be up there.
Working cars up in the mountains.
I don't know about working up there. I did tell Scotty, though, since he was in Ottawa, I said a 4-bedroom house, decent-sized house between all of us, and some little bit of shop space. We can call for some good times. Bobby won't go because it snows.
He's a pussy.
Yeah, that's all right. F him. All right, guys. Well, yeah, we'll give you an update when this is all put back together, and that's probably it for the day. All right, guys. What
Later.
are we doing?
Not having fun.
Oh, whoa, 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 whoa. Putting the gas door back on at least. The rubber piece is back in there. Fragile. Yeah, and we heard it run. And yeah, I would say Monday. We'll get the upper intake manifold off and get the fuel pressure regulator apart. Rebuild it. And put all the new gaskets for that part. And I don't know, Bobby said something about a list, so I'm not sure. So we'll have to get with him about that. But yeah, I'm cutting this one out. Xander, what do we say?
Later.
End of the day. Time to go home.
Finally.